So today I'm going to show you how to order your free Cash App debit card. Now they recently changed things up here on our Cash App account, so I want to show you step by step on how to do this. First and foremost, we are currently on the homepage of our Cash App account, which is with the $sign highlighted. Also keeping in mind, this is an iOS device. Android might look a little different. Now, all we got to do is go to the leftmost icon on our screen. Either it's going to have a dollar amount or a bank account if there's nothing in your account currently. You can see ours is $30. We're going to tap right over here. And in this section over here, you can see it says money. And right over here is going to be the new section to go ahead and order your new card. So you can see it says get your free card. And you can kind of see it's kind of rotating through some different colors here. We're going to go ahead and click on this. And it's going to kind of pull everything else down. And it's going to tell you to go ahead and order your free debit card. And we're going to click over here where it says get your free card. Now, first, it's going to give you some free options over here for you. And then if you wanted to go ahead and pay, you can go ahead and get a couple of different choices over here, including some metal options as well. So for us, we're just going to go ahead and go with our free card here. And then from here, it's going to give you the option to either customize your card, which you can actually add emojis or do your signature on there, or even take off your cash tag if you wanted to, or you could just quickly go ahead and click on order card. Now from there, it's going to ask for your address and then have your PIN and then have that card sent over to you, which just takes anywhere from 7 to 10 business days to arrive. Now here's something really cool. Once you get your card, you get additional features and benefits, one of which is actually getting to use the Afterpay feature, which just arrived. And I'll show you how to do that directly here on screen.